sponsor is riding with us today. Good morning, Kabayan.
We are on our farm tour. This is the second farm we're gonna go to. The first one was canceled. Okay, it's on. Okay, good. Last three that we're gonna try so far, we've liked the white strawberry, and I think this Satsuma Sunrise is pretty good. And now we'll try the peach. Black berry and
Alright, let's try the peach.
cheers. It's so fun. What's that? Peach?
Smell. See? Smell it? Smell. Try it. Try this one.
Okay.
Strawberry.
In the war. Yeah. This is really good. Yeah.
Ugh.
You don't like it?
Ugh.
Just try.
Alright.
Okay, so that concludes.
I
Oh,
like the white strawberry.
the white strawberry.
Then
Is
peach
the
nice.
winner.
And then Satsuma Sunrise.
So which one are you gonna buy, Daddy? White strawberry?
If Mommy has the money, then we'll get the white strawberry.
Okay, I'll buy you the white strawberry. Daddy, cool?
Thanks. There's Auntie Ruth. These are muscadines. Hello, Monica. You enjoying your grape picking? Me with her wine? No. Grapes?
Hey, Monica. Alright, let's look at their chicken coop, Daddy. See if you can build